So we're here at Lock 7 in Crescent, Minnesota, installing new miter gates as a culmination of a 5-year project, roughly $5 million project to replace the upper and lower miter gates. The original miter gates are roughly 92 years old. They're definitely time to be replaced, and we have folks here from our maintenance and repair replacing them.
So there's a lot of things in the safety side of this. It's 92-year-old replacement. By upgrading this, we've got it stronger, so when it takes a hit, it's not going to be as big of a deal for navigation. It allows it to be more robust, so it can take an impact from navigation and still function. It also is modular, so that if there is an impact, we can unbolt a section, put a new section back in. There's not a lot of welding that needs to incur, which just increases our speed and keeps us operational on a more regular basis.
They're roughly 238,000 pounds, so they're 100,000 pounds heavier than the original gates, about 70% heavier, made to handle the more modern towboats that will occasionally bump into them. The original gates were made during the days of navigation when they had steam-powered paddle boats. Now we're talking twin diesel-powered towboats that have up to 10,000 horsepower engines. So they got to be made for the present and the future, and these new gates are made for withstanding more of the requirements of today's modern navigation.
Riverine navigation saves the country millions of dollars a year in navigation efficiency. It's by far the most efficient way to get bulk commodities up and down the river, and also has a huge recreational component for people who love the river. And not only can the efficiency be measured in dollars, but it has good environmental impacts too, because a barge, even though it's a big machine, takes a lot of trains or a lot of trucks off the road to move the same amount of commerce.